How to create a Robinhood account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up one. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this login icon. Simply tap on login. So we in this login page. Here, in order to create a new account, tap on create account. So this is the section where you can easily start setting up your account. Here, select your country and head on continue. Now simply use the email address that you want to input. So here I'm tapping on one. After you do this, you must set up all the password. So select a strong password that you will remember. So here I'm selecting one. After you do this, you must enter your full name. So enter the legal name that you have. So here I'm entering one and simply hit on continue. So it will take some time. Now a verification code will be sent to your mail, and after verifying it, you'll be able to enter or create a new account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.